In this video, we're going to talk about how to use the new SNO Ads platform to purchase ad space on SNO sites that have signed up to use the SNO Ads platform on their site. So the first thing you need to do is go to snoads.com in your browser. And then you'll have the choice to log in or register. If you previously had a SNO Ads account on our old platform, your login information will still work, so you can go ahead and log in. If you don't yet have an account, you'll just need to click this register button, fill out the information, and then click register. Once you have an account, you can click login, fill in your information, and then press the login button. The first thing you want to do if you're new to SNO Ads is upload some images and links. So if you previously had SNO Ads, your approved images and approved links should already be in your images and links tab. If you're new, you'll need to add some new images and links. For ad images, there are specific sizes you'll need to upload for your images in order for them to be accepted on SNO Ads. So if you want a header or footer ad space, it needs to be 728 pixels by 90 pixels. Or if you want a sidebar space, it needs to be 300 pixels by 250 pixels. So I'm going to upload a sidebar ad. And here I have an ad that is already properly sized. As you can see, it's 300 by 250 pixels. We do have a new resize tool where you can slightly resize your image if you want. Once you're happy with your image, you can go ahead and hit upload. Right when you upload it, it's going to say pending, and someone from the SNO team will need to approve that image before it goes live on a site. You'll also want to add a link so that when readers click the image, it will take them to your website. So I am going to add my link here. Again, it will say it pending until it's approved. We do check all images and links to make sure that they are appropriate. Once you have those images and links uploaded, you can go ahead and go to the store tab. And here again, you'll be able to see the sizes of images needed. And you can also search for specific schools if you want, or you can search for schools in your area or within a specific zip code and price range. There's lots of filters. I'm going to purchase an ad on the Best of Snow website. Once you search for a school, you'll see that this pops up and it will tell you the school name, the level, the location, the style, which area, the impressions, that has to do with how many visitors go to that site, and then the pricing over here. One difference with our new SNO Ads platform is that if you purchase an ad on SNO Ads now, it will be seen every time that site is loaded. Our previous platform rotated through 3 ad spaces. But in this platform, if you purchase an ad, every load will show your ad on that space. So once you've decided which one you want, you can just click in front of it and click add to cart. If you want, you can add multiple schools, so you can continue to search and add as many as you'd like to your cart. And then once you're ready to check out, you can go ahead and hit this cart option at the top. If you haven't already uploaded ads and links, it will remind you here. And if they're still pending, it will say that they're pending. Down here, you are able to decide how many months you would like that spot. You can always increase your ad time after you've purchased it. So you can do 1 month, and then later in this ad manager, you will be able to increase that. If you've bought multiple spaces, you can also use this bulk edit mode here to change the duration or delete multiple ads at one time. I'm just going to do 1 month right now. So then I'll just go ahead and press checkout. Here it will on the left side show you the price. Then you'll need to type in an email, fill out all this information on the left, on the right side, put in your card information. Your card's expiration date. And the CVC number, which you can find on the back of your card. And then finally, you'll need to input the zip code in there. You also have the option to save. Oops, we're going to need a phone number. You'll see that it will show you as payment confirmed, and then you can click on view active ads. So that will take you to your ad manager. It shows you when it expires. It's also going to allow you to change the image or link to approved images. So if I look in images and links, mine are still pending. So we'll have to wait until those get approved. It will always use your most recently approved ad and link that's the correct size for your ad. But if you have multiple ads and you want to switch it, you can do that in this ad manager. One cool thing about the new platform is that even once you've purchased your ad space, you can change the image in your ad manager during a purchase. So if I get a new ad image during a purchase and I get it approved in this images and links area, I will be able to choose it in the image and links once it's approved. So that is how you purchase an ad in SNO Ads. If you have any trouble, feel free to send us an email at support, SUPPORT, at SNOsites, SNOSITES.com. That's support at SNOsites.com. Or you can give us a call at 855-543-9766, and we'll be able to help you out.